Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining what Mobile Service Manager is in 2026, what it does and whether you should disable it on your Android phone. So Mobile Service Manager is a system app which is used by some carriers and manufacturers in order to manage the apps and services on your phone. The app is responsible for installing and suggesting the apps, managing carrier related services, running background updates and supporting system level app features. It comes pre-installed on the certain devices, especially carrier logged phones. Carriers use it to promote the apps and manage the services without requiring any manual setup. And yes, it is 100% safe. However, many users consider it unnecessary because it can install the apps and run background processes without clear permission. So you can disable it if you want to by going to the settings and going to the apps. You need to look for Mobile Service Manager, and after going to this disable permissions, you can simply disable the permissions for it. Now you should disable it if you want more control over your phone and fewer background processes. But if you rely on the carrier features or the update, it can you can basically leave it enabled. So if this video helped you understand the Mobile Service Manager application better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.